That's right. We busted up our homemade forks for the Bobcat. The M970 is just too strong. But with the help of Harbor Freight, we have the tools to fix it. That's right, even the torch head is Harbor Freight. Well, I know you can't see it, but it's out. Oh, 49 inches. There we go. Now we'll weld that on there, and we'll weld that on there, and then we'll have our new lower plate for the Bobcat. After we clean that up a bit so we get good welds. That's what you get when you deal with rusty metal. You gotta clean it up. That'll go on there. We should probably clean a couple of spots up here. Half of 49 is 2 feet, ½ inch. Half of 2 feet, ½ inch is 12 1/4. Well, I thought we'd use the welding table from Harbor Freight for its intended purpose. Now, we got the Harbor Freight welder again. Well, there we go. That's welded up, and yes, it's tool steel, greater blade to mild steel, which doesn't really weld that well, but we got it on there. Well, we got it all clamped up onto our forks, so now we can hook our top plate underneath our forks, and it should swing down into place, and we can weld it on. And there we go. Now we can weld it on. Okay, now we got tip it up and over so I can weld the backside. All right, now to keep it from bending again, we got to put in a little support here. I think this ought to do. I suppose we better measure that. 5 3/4. There's 2 and 3. All right, well, that should hold it from bending like it did before. We just got to weld them in. Like that. Okay, that should do it. Now we got to go unload the stuff that didn't sell at the swap meet. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.